Happy Naturals. I conditioned my hair, so I haven't detangled at all. It's a very light rosemary mint. It's more like a mint. I don't even smell the rosemary in it, but that's what it looks like. My favorite brush at the moment, the Tangle Teaser. And I just start from the bottom, start from the root, going up. Now we're gonna twist to encourage the curls. After this, you can put on a heat cap for say 5 minutes. I'm loosening them now. I've had my shower. Usually I put a plastic bag. I mean, you can put a shower cap on. I finger detangle when I'm rinsing. And look, I just want to show you. Run my fingers through my hair. Go for the cold wash. There we have it. We're done deep conditioning.
I mean, just look at these results. I would recommend using this product. Now we've just got one more step to go and then we're done.
I am dripping like something else. Okay, so the last thing I do is do a big 2-strand twist, and this makes it easy and stops the knots from accumulating when you style. Maybe I rushed it, who knows, but it is time. Okay.